Hi everyone, good morning. I hope you're all doing good. I'm Grace Abraham. Today I'm going to speak about photosynthesis. You all might have heard about photosynthesis. Actually, we can correlate it with ourselves because as humans, we need water, oxygen, and food for living. Likewise, plants also need certain things, that is, carbon dioxide instead of oxygen, then light energy and water to make their food. So, in simple terms, this whole process is called photosynthesis. As you can see here, plants absorb water and minerals through their roots. We can see in the picture, yeah, this blue color indicates water. So, water is present in the soil itself, right? So, from the soil, these roots absorb water and the minerals which is required for their growth. And then what happens is this water goes all the way up through the stem and then it reaches the leaves. And what happens in the leaf? In the leaf, there is a small door which is called the stomata. Okay, so this door opens and what happens is water along with it, oxygen goes out. And from the picture, we can see who enters through that door. That is carbon dioxide. Okay, so when the door is opened, carbon dioxide enters through it and water and oxygen goes out. Okay, the water evaporates from the leaves. Okay, and one more point to add is the stomata is seen more in numbers in the lower side of the leaf than the upper side. Okay, now there is one another pigment which is called chlorophyll. Okay, as I said earlier, these plants need light energy to make their food. Okay, there are three main ingredients, which is water, carbon dioxide, and sunlight. Okay, so the sunlight, there should be someone to trap it, right? So that pigment is called chlorophyll. Chlorophyll is the one which traps the light energy from the sunlight so that plants can use it to make the food. Okay, so it is the one that gives green color to the plants. Okay, so the definition is photosynthesis is the process in which plants use light energy to produce food. Okay, we can see the diagram here. So, have you all ever thought that why is photosynthesis important to living things? Okay, I will answer that. First of all, photosynthetic organisms provide food for nearly all the consumers on the earth. Just think like what if photosynthesis doesn't occur? Oh, plants won't grow, we won't get fruits and vegetables from it, and our food also will be compromised. So, these photosynthetic organisms are the one that provide food for all the consumers in the earth. And next point is through photosynthesis, plants remove carbon dioxide from the air and also produce oxygen that most organisms need to stay alive. We need oxygen to live, right? So these plants are the one that provide us oxygen. Actually, they are an excellent pollution removers. Okay, they purifies the air, they absorb the carbon dioxide and they gives out oxygen. As I said, through the stomata, carbon dioxide gets in and oxygen goes out. So likewise, they purify the air in the atmosphere and we get cleaner, safer air for us to breathe. Okay, we get oxygen. Almost 90% of the oxygen entering the atmosphere comes as a result of photosynthesis. So that is why it is very important. Okay, so that is why we are telling don't cut trees because they are very important for our survival also. Okay, so this is all about photosynthesis. If you have any doubts, you can ask me. Okay, thank you.